Ever wished you could SSH into your Ubuntu virtual machine in VirtualBox and have a much cleaner command line experience? Well, look no further. First, open Oracle VM VirtualBox and select your Ubuntu virtual machine. Click on Settings to configure the network. In the Settings window, navigate to the Network tab under Adapter 1. Ensure that Attach to is set to NAT if you want to access the VM without changing your network setup. Now, expand the Advanced section. Click on the Port Forwarding button. Here's where the magic happens. In the Port Forwarding window, click the plus symbol to add a new rule. You'll need to create a port mapping. Give the rule a name. Let's say SSH. For the host IP field, leave it blank for the host port. Choose a port number on your host machine. Let's use 2220 to this avoids conflicts. Next, leave the guest IP blank for guest port. Enter 22. Which is the default SSH port for your Ubuntu VM. Finally, click OK in both the Port Forwarding and Settings windows. Next up, launch Putty in the host name or IP address field. Enter localhost, because we're connecting to our own machine. For the port, enter the host port number you chose in VirtualBox, in our case, 2222. Make sure the connection type is set to SSH. Now, click on Open. Putty will prompt you for your Ubuntu VM username and password. Enter those and you should be logged in. You've successfully connected to your Ubuntu virtual machine via Putty. Happy command lining.